What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, well, in this video, I wanted to talk about some interesting movement on the Litecoin blockchain. A huge amount of Litecoin was moved around to the tune of about 60% of the entire Litecoin market cap. So a huge amount. So we're going to talk about that, what that might mean for price going forward, and who that might be. All right, let's dive into this video.
Trade Genius.
Before we dive into that, there's a trade we took on Pivx BTC down in here, signaled this out, had a nice move up here. And that's what we're kind of looking at, is getting these nice little gainers here and there. So if you guys are interested in that, head over to tradelikeagenius.com, join us in the room. We got some specials running that you can check out. All right, so what we're talking about is, if we look at Litecoin.com, basically came out, said that huge amount of transaction was, or a huge amount of Litecoin was transacted on the Litecoin network in a single day. And basically what it was about 35,400,000 Litecoin moved on the 30th of November. Big move. Now, of that amount, one very large concentration of addresses, about 12 million Litecoin, was spread out among 40 wallet addresses, each containing 300,000 Litecoin. So that's 12 million Litecoin. Now, if that's one person that's just basically buying for the long term, that's a lot of Litecoin out of circulation. So if that's the case, if it's a long-term person that's looking to hold until 12, 24 months down the road, that's going to bode really well for, I think, Litecoin price. Now you have 12 million Litecoin out of circulation. So as far as the Litecoin blockchain, sorting by the richest wallets, you can look on the blockchain explorer for Litecoin, monitor those, see if they ever move or not. Now, if that's an exchange, some are theorizing that it could be Bakkt or Fidelity, one of these platforms that are going to be using the supply basically for the exchange. That's possible too. Definitely something that's realistic. But anybody who's thinking that they got an inside scoop on this probably just really doesn't know, unless they're really directly related to the entity or the person that's doing this. It's all speculation. But one thing you can do is just monitor these addresses and see if they move or not. The longer they're out of circulation, the more bullish for price. And then, speaking of price, as far as LTC goes, okay, this is a daily chart. Guys, this, basically what it is here is, you've got Litecoin in a downward channel, and it's real simple. Bottom of the channel, good value for Litecoin. So this 0.07 area, 0.007, excuse me, which is going to equate to around $25 to $30 Litecoin USD. So this is LTC BTC. 0.007 in those terms is pretty cheap Litecoin. So if you're looking to get into Litecoin long term, these areas, especially on the bottom of this channel, has always been a good spot for getting into it. When Litecoin does move, it moves extremely fast. So again, holding this until it gets to the top of the channel, probably a great play. Take some profits there, and you won't be sorry. So anyway, I think that if someone is looking at that play, that's the reason why they loaded up on Litecoin. That would be a huge, gigantic move for them. And that's retirement stuff, guys, generational wealth type stuff. So anyway, I think it's a good spot for Litecoin. Interesting price movements at this level, these price levels. Again, could be an individual, could be an exchange. We just don't really know. All we can do is really look at those addresses and see if there's any movement out of them over the next couple of months. So anyway, hope that helps. Guys, appreciate you guys watching. Please hit like and subscribe. If you're on the mobile, ring that bell, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. All right, guys, take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.